If the rear chrome on your center console is chipping, scratched up, or fading, it's time to replace it and give your interior some more life. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1966 and 67 Chevelle and El Camino console rear chrome. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. The rear chrome connects to the top plate on the rear top section of your console where the console door is. The rear console chrome is manufactured from injection molded ABS plastic. The case hardened steel tooling ensures every part comes out identical to the original. At the end of the production line, our product is finished with a beautiful chrome plating to last. In addition, we pre-drill out the holes to mount into the base with clips as well as 2 studs that fit through it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.